In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the angle degree measures. An angle's measure is determined by rotating one of its sides about its vertex. The fixed side is referred to as the initial side, and the side being rotated is the terminal side. Whenever you rotate an angle or the terminal side counterclockwise, you're forming a positive angle. When the terminal side is rotated counterclockwise, a clockwise rotation forms a negative angle, and a counterclockwise rotation forms a positive angle. A full rotation from the x-axis back to the positive x-axis is a 360-degree rotation. So if we have the following angle, the angle between that terminal side and the negative y-axis is 35 degrees. So if we were to start at the initial side and go all the way to that negative y-axis, that would be 270 degrees. First of all, since we're rotating counterclockwise, it's going to be a positive angle degree measure. And then we're just going to subtract that 270, the angle that's formed from the initial side, all the way to the negative y-axis, and then subtract 35 to get a 235-degree angle. All right, for this one, the terminal side of this angle, well, first of all, the rotation is counterclockwise, so it's going to be positive. And the terminal side of this angle is 60 degrees past that negative y-axis, so we're going to add 60 degrees to the angle that's formed with the terminal side at the y-axis, which is 270 degrees. So 270 plus 60 would be 330. Here, the terminal side for the rotation is counterclockwise, so the angle measure is going to be positive. The terminal side for the blue angle is 30 degrees past the negative x-axis. So we're just going to add 30 to the angle that's formed by the positive x-axis and the negative x-axis, which is 180. 180 plus 30 is 210. And in this angle, in this figure, we are rotating clockwise, so the angle measure is going to be negative. And the angle that's formed by the initial side and the negative x-axis is 180 degrees. So I'm just going to subtract the 120 from the 180 to get 60. And again, since we're rotating clockwise, it's going to have a negative measure. We're going to have a positive rotation, a positive angle measure, since the rotation is counterclockwise. And we're going 75 degrees past the negative x-axis. So we're going to be adding 75 to that 180-degree angle, that being the angle that's formed by the positive x-axis and the negative x-axis. 180 plus 75 is 255.